Okay, in this video, we're going to go over something called the Exterior Angle Theorem. And it's just an example of this. And basically, it helps you to find angles in a triangle using algebra. And that's what it's mostly used for, okay? So this is what the Exterior Angle Theorem says. Let's look at this particular angle here. It's angle CBD, okay? So angle CBD, which is exterior, right? It's on the outside of this triangle. All right, so that's why it's an exterior angle. The exterior angle is equal to the addition of the two remote interior angles. Okay, so in this case, it would be equal to angle BAC plus angle ACB, which is B right here. And that's true for any of these exterior angles, right? This line needs to be straight, okay? Then you form a triangle here, all right? So this angle would be equal to the sum of these two remote interior angles. If that were true, let's go ahead and see if we can solve this particular problem. So according to this, 6x should be equal to BAC, which is x plus 40, put that in parentheses, plus angle 3x plus 10, which is this angle right here, in parentheses, 3x plus 10. Okay, so we'll call that my first step. Second step, let's gather our like terms because now we don't need to use those parentheses anymore, right? So I'm going to get 6x is equal to 4x plus 50. I'm going to subtract 4x from both sides, and I'm going to get 2x is equal to 50. And in my final step, I'm going to divide by 2. And x is going to be equal to 25. Now, what does that do for us? We go back in and plug 25 into all the x's, and we can figure out whether our angles are correct or not, okay? So let's start with this angle here. So angle, we call it ACB, so ACB. So angle ACB would be equal to 3 times 25 plus 10, which is equal to 75 plus 10, or 85 degrees. Okay? Let's plug it into this angle now here, which is angle BAC. So angle BAC will be equal to 25 plus 40, which is equal to 65 degrees. And according to this, angle CBD, I'm just going to put this over here, by the way. Angle CBD should be equal to 6 times 25, which is basically just what, 150 degrees. Let's add these two guys up. 10 carry the 1, 9, 6. Sure enough, it's equal to 150 degrees as well. Okay? Now, there's something else that we can do to prove this, right? We also know that this angle and this angle, which is CBA, so let's put that over here. This is just like a little extra, all right? So angle CBD plus angle CBA would equal 180 degrees. Those are supplementary angles, right? Because of the supplementary angle postulate. But we already know the angle CBD is 150. So let's substitute that in. And let's subtract. So according to this information, this angle here should be 30 degrees. Now, why would that be important? Why would we be able to figure, why would that be important information? Well, it would be important because we could confirm that the two angles we got here plus this angle would equal 180. Now let's see if that's true. We already said that this angle plus this angle is 150, and sure enough, plus this angle 30, let's put that over here, equals 180. So that's really just a way of confirming that our x is correct and that we have 180 degrees in here. Okay, I hope that was helpful.